Hi, do you want to know how you can type in languages other than English in the browser? Have you wondered how people have blogs, web pages that are in Hindi, Marathi, or Russian? With Google Tools, it has become extremely easy to type in non-Roman scripts. I'm going to show you 3 ways by which you can type in Devanagari script on any computer. Devanagari is just an example, but you can have almost all scripts available. For example, Cyrillic, Greek, Mandarin, etc. These 3 ways are plugin on your Chrome browser, desktop tool for switching languages, and using Google Transliteration. So let's begin. Plugin on your Chrome browser. Google has provided a plugin on the browser by which you can easily switch your language preferences. What you need to do is just search for Google Input Tools. Click on Try it out, click on the Chrome tab, and download the Chrome extension. Once you install the plugin, you will get an icon on right hand top of your Chrome toolbar. Click on it, select your preferred language. In my case, I selected Hindi and Marathi, but you can actually select from any of these language scripts. And that's it, you're done. Now you can open any website, your blog, Gmail, and can type in Devanagari. Basically, whatever you can open in the browser, it can type there. This is really cool. So you ask, what if I want to type in a notepad? Easy. You just open your Gmail, start a draft, and then type your message. Once you are done, paste it in your notepad. Don't forget to change the encoding type to UTF-8 of your notepad before saving the document. Otherwise, the next time you open the document, it will show just boxes. One more thing, whenever you want to switch back to default English, you can do so by clicking on the same icon and unchecking the language settings. Once you install this plugin, it will work offline as well. The second option is that of a desktop tool. This was kind of a software Google had provided for desktop use. A few years ago, Google had given the option to install input tools on the desktop. I had created a video for that. That time, Chrome plugin was not there. I couldn't find the desktop application now, and it's pretty much possible that Google has stopped support for this application because the Chrome plugin is available now. Maybe you can get the old exe from some websites. Now the third option, which is not going to work offline. You just simply go to the Google input methods and choose your language of choice. Here I am choosing Marathi and start typing just like you spell the word. Once you are done with your message, you can just copy paste your content wherever you want. For example, here I am pasting it on my blog. This is particularly useful when you are not using your usual computer and want to type a quick message in your language. The best thing about Google Input Tool is that you can type phonetically. That means just type as the word would sound. For example, I'm typing Хорошо, До свидания here in Russian without caring whether I know Russian keyboard or not. Similarly, for Hindi to write Adbhut, I'll write as it sounds. This gives us complete freedom from knowing any other keyboards. I have already created videos regarding how to type in Devanagari on your phone. There is one on voice typing, please check them out. Using these language techniques, I have written so many things on my blog. This is pretty evident that how easy it is to type with Google Input Tools. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.